Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this half grilled cheeseburger. Time to grill. I usually keep my eyes open for you for any viral trends, and yeah, I think I see a lot of those half grilled burgers right now at my social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. So I decided to make a video out of it. So these are 220 grams of finest German ground beef, and we're gonna mix this with salt and pepper. I used Jack and Smoke, my own mixture, but you can use any other salt and pepper mixture you like, just to give it a slight flavor, not too heavy, and just form a patty which is a little bit thicker than usually, because that has to do with the grilling technique I will show you later on. And after forming the patty, make sure to take your thumbs and press in the middle of that patty like so it stays in shape while grilling. So that's the patty we're looking for. Now we're gonna take our grill. This is my Schickling Grill. I really used it a lot over the last 12 months. You might have seen that. I will put a link into the video description, you can check it out. And in the meantime it heats up. We fired up the left burner circle, which are 3 burners for direct heat. In the meantime you can have a beer, wait until it heated up, and after it heated up we're gonna take our patty and gonna grill this one on direct heat, highest heat possible. So the grilling time now is a little bit lower than usually, because we cut it in half in the halfway, so to say, and then we're gonna grill this on direct heat again. So the grilling time for that side is 2.5 minutes. So this is our brioche bun for today. We're gonna crisp it up a little bit, and this is the patty after 2.5 minutes. So not too crispy, but still rare in the middle. So, and then again after 2.5 minutes, this one is done. For the last 1 minute or so we're gonna add the cheddar cheese, so it just gets a little bit of a melt, not too long here as well. So 2 slices of cheddar cheese please. Thank you. So close the lid, and as soon as it had melted, take this patty with the melted cheese off the grill. So that's our bun now. I'm a mustard guy, so we're gonna get started with 1 teaspoon of mustard. Make sure not to use too much sauce here, it will drip into your grill. I'm not sure if this helps with the grilling result. We're gonna take 2 pieces of lettuce here. I choose Romana lettuce. You can use any lettuce you like. For me it's kind of funny because it gets some great grill flavors later on as well. So this already looking beautiful piece of meat with the cheddar cheese, 2 slices of tomato, and the other part of the bun. And then we're gonna take 4 wooden skewers. Of course, if you have any other skewers you want to use, this one is great as well, some metal or whatever. So I just take 1, 2 for one side and the other 2 in the back. Make sure they're a little bit parallel, and then take a knife and cut in the middle of your burger, the burger complete in half. And we will now open this one, and you can see it's completely rare still inside. So that's what we are looking for. That's on purpose. A lot of people won't believe it, but this one is on purpose, because we will now put this back on the grill. So one will fall down in 3, 2, 1. Thank you. I'm gonna take this one, press the skewers a little bit more so you won't lose any of the burger on your grill. Here again, same thing, 1, 2, and now we wanna throw this again for 2.5 minutes on the grill, direct heat, here and here. And now you have to be very careful not to burn this one. The buns will get darker than the meat, and sooner, a little bit quicker. That's the vocab I was looking for. So just make sure not to make it too long. Yeah, for me this is really interesting technique, because the pro of that recipe is that your burger gets more roasted flavor, more grill flavor. The bread is much more crispy. The cheese has a nice color. Even the tomato and the lettuce gets a grill flavor. I really like the idea of doing it. I'm not sure if I would like to do this with all burgers, because there are a lot of burgers with topping which would fall into your grill right now. But for a basic cheeseburger, just like so, with some lettuce and tomato, this one is really, really interesting. So that's the result we're looking for. Of course, I will gonna give this a shot right now. I will let you with the original footage I made while testing it. In the meantime, I would like to thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We're seeing us again in the upcoming days. I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Thank you.
No, this one is really delicious. There is more grill flavor on that side of the burger. Really amazing. Thanks for watching.